Got this old Windows 10 machine, and I wanted to try out using my Canon EOS 40d as a webcam. I think it was on Reddit, someone said they'd use the utility, the EOS Webcam Utility. And so here I've hooked up to the USB connector. This just uses a mini USB. And I'm going to compare it to the LifeCam Cinema. And so this is my setup right now. Both are hooked up to USB, and they're looking at this Lego. So you can see to my right over here is the Canon EOS 40d, and it's a lot sharper. I'm using a 50mm lens. And over here is the LifeCam Cinema. You can see the with this indoor lighting, it's not too sharp. It's kind of grainy compared to this one. I just wanted to show you the comparison of using your webcam versus LifeCam Cinema. This is a 720p webcam versus using a DSLR as a webcam. This is a Canon 40d.